Today for word work, we are going to try a model called the Break Words model. And we're going to do this today because we are going to practice noticing that words have multiple syllables and that every syllable has a vowel sound. This helps readers and writers take apart unfamiliar words and notice parts of words. We're going to do this for the word international. We saw this word when we were reading the invitation today. Liza stared at the 4 clocks on the wall of the international school. Okay, so there are 5 syllables in the word international. International, right? When we break this word up with dashes, we look at it in a new way. And when I looked at this word with these dashes in between, and I was able to break this word apart, here's what I noticed. I noticed that this word has the prefix inter and the word national in it. I know that inter means between. If I didn't know what inter meant, I could have looked it up. And national means nation or country. Again, if I didn't know that, I know that I've seen that word before, but if I didn't know what it meant, I could go and look it up. So, putting together my knowledge of the prefix inter and the word national, I put that together and I said this word must mean between nations. So when we do this, I want you guys to remember that noticing that words have multiple syllables and that every syllable has a vowel sound helps readers and writers take apart unfamiliar words and notice parts of words.